Greetings. Today we're going to see the part 2 of the NDA NA2 2022 question paper solutions. And now we are going to start from 31st question. We're going to solve till 16th question. The 31st question starts like this. Consider the following statement. Let f of x be a function satisfying f of x plus y equal to f of x into f of y for all xy belongs to natural numbers such that f of 1 equal to 2. And there's a question, if summation x equal to 2 to n, f of x equal to 2044, then what is the value of n? This problem is a very simple problem, to be frank, and we're going to solve this. So first we need to find what is f of 2 and then what is f of 3 until n. So what will be the f of n? So we are going to find that. So we shall start by applying f of 2, right, equal to, this can be written as f of 1 plus 1, right, and this according to the question can be written as f of 1 into f of 1, which is f of 1 is 2 and also f of 1 is 2 given in the question. So f of 2 is equal to 4. Now f of 3. So f of 3 can be written as f of 2 plus 1 equal to f of 2 into f of 1, and f of 2 is 4, we have found it, and then f of 1 is 2, this is 8, right, f of 3. Now we are going to see a pattern, that is f of n is 2 power n, because f of 2 is 2 square, f of 3 is 2 cube. So this pattern obviously follows. Fine. Now if we take the actual sum, this becomes a GP. So remember this, f of n is equal to 2 power n okay. Now we will start from there. F of n equal to 2 power n. So now this becomes from f of 2, that is from x equal to 2 to x equal to n. So this is going to start from f of 2 plus f of 3 until f of n. This is going to be 2044. So this is going to start from 2 square plus 2 cube plus 2 power n equal to 2044. Actually, this is a GP that is missing its first term, right? Actually, we can add a 2 and then add a 2 to the right hand side also. So this becomes a GP with a sum of the GP with a common ratio 2. So how to find the sum of geometric progression? For that we have a formula being sum of geometric progression is a into r power n minus 1 divided by r power n minus 1. So we're going to solve from this. So after solving this will be equal to, actually we know that this is equal to 2046. We can find the value of n from this. Actually there is not a big problem because there is only one variable and we have an equation. We can easily solve it. Sorry, this is not r power n, this is just r minus 1. So now we're going to substitute the values for a and r in the equation. So s becomes, actually we don't need this, a is 2 r power n, which is also 2, 2 power n minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1, which is 1. So we don't need to write that. This is equal to 2046, right? So 2 power n plus 1 minus 2 is equal to 2046. 2 power n plus 1 is equal to 2048. So n plus 1 is equal to 11, because 2 power 11 is equal to 2048. So n equal to 10. So n equal to 10 is the answer. The option C is your answer. Now we are going to go to the next question. Here the same condition, but we have to find what is sigma x equal to 1 to 5 f of 2x minus 1 equal to. So when you apply 1 to 5, so when we apply 1, it becomes 2 minus 1, so f of 1. And then if you apply 2, 4 minus 1, 3, f of 3, f of 5, f of 7, and then if you apply 5, it's going to be 9. So until this. So f of 1 is 2, we know that. F of 3 is 2 power 3, f of 5 is 2 power 5, f of 7 is 2 power 7, f of 9 is 2 power 9. Again we have a GP, right? We have a geometric progression. We need to find the sum of the geometric progression, or we can just write the values and find it. Actually this is pretty much easier. So 2 plus 8 plus 32 and 2 power 7 is 128 plus 2 power 9 is 512. So adding all this, we get 10, 42, this is 170, this is 682, right? So we get 682. Option B is your answer. Now moving on to the next question. This is like same as the previous formula, except we have a 2 power x. So this goes like this. First 2 power 1 into f of 1. So that is 2 into 2 plus 2 power 2 into f of 2. So that is 2 square into 2 square. So it is going to be like this series. And then when we apply 3, this is going to be 2 power 3 into f of 3 is also 2 power 3. Fine. So we are going to get 2 square plus 2 power 4 plus 2 power 6 until 2 power 12, right? We're going to get until 2 power 12. We are going to get until 2 power 12. So this is going to be a geometric progression again. So starting with 2 power 2, a 2 power 2, then it's going to be 2 power, we have 6 terms, right? And the common difference is 2 square. So this is going to be 2 power 12. So 2 power 12 minus 1 divided by 2 power 2, that is 4 minus 1. This is going to be 4 into 2 power 12 is 4096. minus 1, you're going to get 4095, and then we have a 3. If you cancel this, you're going to get 1 3 6 5. 4 into 1365, that's going to be 5460. Option D is your answer. And now for the next question, consider the next three. Okay. The university awarded medals in basketball, football, and volleyball. So we were going to draw a Venn diagram for this. So I'll name this A, I'll name this B, I'll name this C. Sorry, the A should be inside. I'm going to remove that. Okay. And now I'm going to name this D. I'm going to name this E. I'm going to name this F. And the middle is X. Okay. See, because only X students got medals in all three sports. That's why we're taking the intersection of all three sets to be X. Fine. Now all the medals went to a total of 15X students. Okay, so when we add all this, A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus X is going to be 15X. We have designated this circle to be the basketball circle, this circle to be the football, and this circle to be the volleyball. And now for this, 5X medals is in basketball, which means A plus E plus D plus X is going to be 5X. And then 4X plus 15 medals in football, that is B plus E plus X plus F is going to be equal to 4X plus 15. So we're going to use that. So how many receipt medals in exactly? So how many received medals in exactly 2 of the 3 sports? So that means we need E plus D plus F. Okay, so we're going to form equations, and then we're going to solve it. We're going to find the individual values. Most probably not, because we need to actually solve the equation and get what is D plus E plus F equal to. Okay, I'm going to write the equations. Okay, let B keep that. We'll keep that in this corner, and we'll keep solving it. So first we can write this A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus X equal to 15X. This is the total number of medals. We can cancel the X. We can write it as 14X. And now A plus E plus D equal to, actually if we had the X in the left hand side, it's going to be 5X in the right hand side. We can take the X to that side. Okay, I'll write it, plus X equal to 5X. This can also be written as, we can take the X to the right hand side, and this can be written as 4X, right? And then B plus E plus F plus X equal to 4X plus 15, right? Again cancelling the X, this becomes 3X. We can take this X completely out. And now then C plus D plus F, you get the idea. It is given X plus 25, so this becomes 25. See, when we add all of this, we're going to add this. Can be A plus B plus C, and then you have 2D, 2E, and 2F. So this is going to be like A plus B plus C plus 2 into D plus E plus F. This is going to be equal to adding all this 7X plus 40. Right. So from this, we're going to find what is D plus E plus F? Fine. Now, actually, we know that A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F is equal to 14x. Here we have the same thing, except there is an extra D, there is an extra E, there is an extra F. So let this be equation 2, let this be equation 1. If we subtract equation 1 from 2, we are going to be left with D plus E plus F, which is going to be 7x plus 40 minus 4x. 7x plus 40 minus 4x. This is going to be 3x. So 40 minus 3x. No. Sorry, no. Now we are going to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So 7x plus 40 minus 14x. This is minus 7x. So 40 minus 7x is your answer. Option C is your answer. So I'm moving on to the 35th question. How many received medals in at least 2 of the 3 sports? So at least 2, which means that we can add the x in the mix. So that becomes D plus E plus F. This is exactly 2 sports. We're going to add x because this is also at least 2. Because x represents the number of people who have got all the 3 medals. So this also means at least 2. So we know what is D plus E plus F is equal to. That is 40 minus 7x and then plus x. So this is going to be 40 minus 6x. D is your answer. Now we are going to go to the next question. How many received medals in exactly one of the 3 sports? So exactly one of the 3 sports, we are going to need A plus B plus C, right? So we need the value of A plus B plus C. We know the value of A plus C plus D plus E plus F. This is 14x. We just minus D plus E plus F. This is 40 minus 7x. So this is going to be 14x minus 40 plus 7x. It's going to be 21x minus 40. Your answer is A. Okay. I'm going to see the 37th question. Let A be a matrix is given and A is written in the form of P plus Q. P is symmetric and Q is skew symmetric. Actually, this is a property because every matrix can be written as a sum of symmetric matrix and a skew symmetric matrix. The matrix is going to be A equal to half of A plus A transpose. This is going to be a symmetric matrix. Half of A minus A transpose. This is going to be a skew symmetric matrix. So by definition, P becomes half of A plus A transpose, right? So which means that half of 0 sine square cos square 0 sine square cos square 0. Actually, there is theta. Consider there is theta in every. For just convenience, I'm not writing the theta right now. and then we're going to add another half. Here we're going to have a cos square and then a sine square. Here a sine square and a cos square. There's going to be 0, 0. And here it's going to be again a cos square and then we have a sine square. Actually, you can see that when we're going to add that, this becomes actually 0, but sine square plus cos square plus sine square, cos square plus sine square plus cos square. So every other value becomes 1. So half into 1, sorry, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. So this is a matrix and the value of P. So option A is your answer. Now we're going to see the next question. The next question is, what is Q? Right. So what is Q? We're going to find that. See, by eliminating options, even by looking at the we can get the answer. A equal to P plus Q. A equal to P plus Q. We know what is A. We know P. We can find Q. We can take just one value and just check which option conforms with it. So you have a sine square theta. In P you had a 1 here. So this is going to come to the left hand side, right? So what is the value of sine square theta minus, sorry, we had a 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So we can take this 2 sine square theta minus 1. This value can be written as minus cos 2 theta. So minus cos 2 theta by 2. Actually, we have taken this second element. This the second element of the first row from both of the matrices. So that should be a cos 2 theta minus cos 2 theta by 2 in the answer, in the second element of the first row. And we have here, so here D is the answer. So what is the minimum value of determinant A? So we're going to find the determinant of A. The determinant of A is going to be, first is going to be 0. So that has no value, plus sine square theta into 0 minus cos power 4, sorry, sine power 4 minus sine power 4 theta is going to be negative actually. So plus cos square theta cos power 4. So it's going to be cos power 6 theta plus sine power 6 theta. So that's the minimum value of this function. There's a shortcut for doing this, right? I'm going to do the shortcut. See, there should be a maximum value. Fine. There should be a maximum, that is, the difference between the numerator and denominator should be a larger value. Okay, that is when you're going to have a minimum value. Okay, but let's say we apply we use 30°. Fine. Okay, but 30°, it's going to be 1 by 2. Okay, the difference is 2 and then the denominator is larger, yes, but cos this becomes root 3 by 2, right? Cos 30 becomes root 3 by 2 and the difference is heavy reduced, even though denominator is the has the higher value. but 1 by root 2, 45 degree, 1 by root 2, everything conforms. Okay, that's the middle value. Obviously, that is going to be the shortest, the minimum value. So theta equal to 45. We're going to get 1 by root 2 power 6 plus 1 by root 2 power 6. So that is actually 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 is actually 1 by 4, which also happens to be the minimum value of all the options. So obviously we use the correct angle. Okay, our assumption was right. So moving on to now, we're going to see 40th question. It's a triangular plot. AB equal to 16 meters, BC equal to 10 meters, CA equal to 10 meters. So this is going to be AB, and we have C point, and then this is going to be 10 meters. This is going to be 10 meters, right? And now that's a tower in the midpoint of A and B. So I'm going to take this A and B. This is a tower. Okay. The whole thing is 16 meters in length. So this is going to be just 8 meters. The tower subtends a 45-degree angle. This is also going to be 45 degree. Tan 45 is 1. So this is also going to be 8. So 8 by 8 is 1. This is also going to be 8 meters. So option C is your answer. Fine. Now what is AB by C? So AB is going to be the small c, right? The opposite side of angle C. That is side AB. That's going to be small c. So sin C. Actually, this ratio is equal to 2r. This is a property, and r is the radius of the circumcircle that circumscribes this triangle. So the value of r is going to be ABC. That is a into b into c divided by 4 into area of the triangle. And now to find the area of the triangle, we're going to use the Heron's formula. Root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. The value of s is adding all the semi perimeter. 16 plus 10 plus 10 is going to be 36 divided by 2 is going to be 18 meters, right? So this formula is going to become 18 into 18 minus 16, that is 2 into 18 minus 10, that is 8. 18 minus 10, that is 8. This is going to be root of 36 into 64. So 6 into 8 is going to be 48, right? So the area of the triangle is 48. Since the area of the triangle is 48, this ratio, so R is going to be, so A into B into C is 18 into, 16 into 16 into 10 into 10 divided by 2 into 48. This is going to be 3. This is going to be 50. So this is going to be 4. This is going to be 25. Right. So R value is going to be 25 by 3. When you apply in this, it's going to be 2 into 25 by 3. This is going to be 50 by 3. So B is your answer. So in this question they are asked cos A plus cos B plus cos C. So cos A is going to be that this we have a formula A square plus B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC. Right. So this is going to be a cos A formula, and then cos B. is going to be a square plus b square minus c square divided by 2ab. And similar way, you guys know the formula for cos c. That is, sorry, actually this is c square and then this is c. Cos c is going to be a square plus b square minus c square divided by 2ab. Right. So we're going to use these formulas. Right. So substituting a, b, and c. Substituting a, b, and c in this formula, you're going to get 8 by 10 for cos a and then 8 by 10 for cos b again, and then 28 by 100 for cos c. So adding all this, you're going to get 33 by 25. This is just addition and subtraction and multiplication division. General or basic mensuration. So you just apply the formulas and you're going to get the answer. It's going to be 33 by 25. This is the method you're going to solve it. And then 43rd question. So there is a tower leaning towards north, right? And towards south, you have a point Q, and then a point P. P is farthest from the base, right? So let's give this O, I think. So actually, P is at the distance of x and Q is at the distance of y, and then x is greater than y. That is why P is farther from O than Q. So this distance is x given. This distance is y. Is also given. For solving purpose, we are going to take this z. We are going to keep this theta, right? Fine. So this is going to be 75 degrees. The angles of elevation of P is 15, Q is 75. So this is going to be 15. Right. So to solve this, going to take cot 75. This is going to be z plus y, adjacent by opposite. So we're going to take this to be h, this to be length of the tower by h. Right. So z by h plus y by h. Z by h, that is cot theta. Okay. So that's going to be cot theta. So cot theta plus y by h. And then cot 15 is equal to z plus x by h. That is going to be again cot theta. Z by h is cot theta plus x by h. We're going to subtract these two equations, find the difference, because cot theta, when only we can eliminate cot theta. We don't know the value of theta, so we're going to eliminate that. Right. So cot 15 minus cot 75 equal to cot theta is going to get cancelled, and then cot 15 cos x by h minus y by h. Right. So this is 2 plus root 3 minus 2 minus root 3. So minus 2 plus root 3. 2 is going to get cancelled. You can get 2 root 3 is equal to x minus y by h. So h is going to be x minus y by 2 root 3. Option A is your answer. So 44. What is the value of cot theta? So we're going to add the two equations that we have seen in the previous one. Okay, so the cot theta won't be cancelled. Fine. So when we add it, we're going to add cot 15 plus cot 75 is going to be 2 cot theta, right? 2 cot theta plus x plus y by h, right? So this is going to be, when we add it, we have 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. Root 3 will cancel. You get 2 plus 2 equal to 4. 4 equal to 2 cot theta plus x plus y by h. So h is, we have found that the value of h is x minus y by 2 root 3, right? So the value of h is x minus y by 2 root 3. So 2 root 3 will go to the numerator. Fine. Okay. So we can divide the whole equation by 2. We can divide the whole equation by 2. So 2 is equal to cot theta plus x plus y, x minus y into root 3. So we need cot theta, bring this to left side. So 2 minus root 3 into x plus y by x minus y. So 2 minus x plus y by x minus y. So root 3 into. So that is option D. Right. So what is the question? So what is the length of the tower? We need the value of L. So we need to involve L. Okay, we need to involve L in our equations. So we're going to use sine. Okay, sine function. That is sine theta is equal to opposite by h by L. Okay, so we're going to use that. So sine theta equal to h by L. So we're going to just replace whatever we know. So L is equal to h by sine theta. Right. So h, we know the value x minus y by 2 root 3 into cosecant theta. Okay. So cosecant, the value of cosecant theta also can be written as 1 plus cot square theta. So this is x minus y by 2 root 3 into 1 plus root of 1 plus cot square theta. We know the value of cot square theta, that is 2 minus root 3 into x plus y, x minus y. So this is going to be square. Although this seems to be a difficult sum to solve, just by applying the values we found the answer. Right. So 2 minus, I think this is the answer. Yes, by 2 root 3. Fine. So this is our answer, option B. So 46th question, find the value of cosecant minus 73 pi by 3. So what the cosecant minus 73 pi by 3, this can be written as minus cosecant 73 pi by 3. So the closest multiple of 3 to 73. So the closest value to 73, that is also a multiple of 3, that is 72, right? So minus cosecant. So we're going to use that. So how we're going to use that is 72 by 3. That is going to be 24. Right. This is going to be 72 pi by 3 plus pi by 3. So minus cosecant 24 pi plus pi by 3. So since this is 2 and pi, you can cancel that. So minus cosecant pi by 3, which is just cosecant pi by 3 is 2 by root 3. So minus 2 by root 3 is our answer. Fine. Option B. So 47. So just by using some trigonometric ideas, we can solve this. So first we are going to do this. So cos 5 pi by 17 plus cos 7 pi by 17. Cos A plus cos B formula, that is 2 into cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. You're going to get 2 into cos 12 pi by 2. Okay, 12 pi by 17 divided by 2, that is going to be 6 pi by 17 into cos the difference is 2, right? So 2 pi by 17 by 2, this is going to be, that's going to be pi by 17, right? Plus 2 cos pi by 17 into cos 11 pi by 17. So cos pi by 17 we can take it common. So 2 cos pi by 17 cos 6 pi by 17 plus cos 11 pi by 17. Right. Now applying the cos A cos B formula. Right. Now applying the cos A cos B formula, 2 into cos pi by 17. Let's find the so 2 into cos 17 pi by, so 6 pi plus 11 pi, that is 17 pi by 17 divided by 2, that is just pi by 2. So whatever the value that may come here, when cos pi by 2 is 0, doesn't matter what is here, what is here, the whole value is, because everything is multiplication, the whole value is going to be 0. So 47 8. Now we're going to go to the next question, 48. So what is tan 3 pi by 8? Tan 3 pi by 8. Right. So we're going to split this. So how are we going to split this? We're going to bring this inside the inside pi by 2. Fine. Inside 0 to pi by 2. So that can be done with the. So how will we split this? Pi by 2 minus pi by 8. Fine. So 8 pi minus 2 pi divided by 16. So that's going to be 3. Yes. So 8 pi minus. Okay, 8 pi minus 2 pi, 6 pi divided by 16, that's going to be 3 pi by 8. So we are on the right track. So this is just cot pi by 8. Tan pi by 2 minus theta into cot theta. Cot pi by 8. So this is going to be 1 by tan pi by 8. So the value of tan pi by 8 is root 2 minus 1, taking conjugate. Okay, so root 2 plus 1 and then root 2 plus 1. You're going to get root 2 plus 1 divided by 1 actually. So 1 and be root 2 plus 1 is your answer. Actually, we can take it straight from here. Okay, the value of cot pi by 8 is root 2 plus 1. But this can also be solved like this. Because normally we tend to remember the values of sine, cos and tan. Okay, not for secant, cosecant and cot. That's why we solve the sum like this. So again, go to the next question. So what is tan inverse of cot of cosecant inverse of 2 equal to? So we're going to solve it from inside. So cosecant inverse of 2. Cosecant inverse of 2 is pi by 6. Right. So cot, this is pi by 6. Cot pi by 6 is root 3. Because cot 30 degrees, cot 30 degrees is root 3. Fine. So tan inverse of root 3 is pi by 3. So not much calculations, just mind calculations. Right? So now we're reaching the 50th question. In a triangle ABC, we have given the dimensions. What is cos 3c equal to? So now we are going to find the cos c. So how to find this cos c? We have seen the formula before. It's b square minus c square divided by 2ab. Right, this is going to be 4 square plus 3 square, 4 plus 16 plus 9 minus 4. Right, 16 plus 9 minus 4. 16 plus 9 minus 4 divided by It's going to be 25, 21, right? 21 divided by 2 into AB for 24. So 21 by 24. That is 7 by 8. So cos C is 7 by 8. Now they are asking cos 3C. Fine. So remember this. Let me erase the formula and show you the value. So cos, the value of cos A is 7 by 8. So cos 3C is going to involve mole of cos 3. So 4 cos cube C minus 3 cos C. So the value is 4 into 7 by 8 cube minus 3 into 7 by 8. So simple calculations. You're going to get 343 divided by 128 minus 336 divided by 128, both sides. So that's going to be 7 by 128. Option A is your answer. Now we're going to the next question. What is cos 36 minus cos 72? So like I said, we tend to remember the values of important angles of cos and sine, cos, and for tan. So since 36 degrees and 72 degrees are important angles, that is multiples of 18 or multiples of 9. These angles are important angles, right? Because it's going to be reflected in your this cos A plus B formulas and then cos multiple angle formulas. So we know the values of cos 36 and cos 72. So the value of cos 36 is root 5 plus 1 by 4 minus the value of cos 72 is root 5 minus 1 by 4. This is going to be root 5 will get cancelled, right? So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is going to be 1 by 2. So option C is your answer. So if secant x equal to 25 by 24, so immediately we draw a triangle, right? So I'm going to take x. So secant x is going to be hypotenuse. It's going to be 25 by adjacent. This is going to be 24. And by definition, using Pythagorean theorem, we know that this is going to be 7. 25 square, root of 25 square minus 24 square. So we know that we know this, right? So tan x plus sin x, the value of tan x in the fourth quadrant, it's going to be negative, right? Fourth quadrant, tan is negative. Only cos and secant are positive. This is going to be minus 7 by 24, opposite by adjacent. So the value of sin x is going to be negative because sin is negative, opposite by hypotenuse 7 by 25. Right. So adding both of this, we're going to get minus 343 divided by 600. Multiplying this, we're going to get 600. So minus 343 divided by 600. Since 343 is a prime number, we can't really do anything after that. So we're going to leave that as it is. Okay. Moving on to the next question, 53. What is the value of tan square 165 plus tan square, sorry, cot square 165? So it's going to be tan. So tan 165 can be written as, okay, minus tan 15, right? And also cot 165 can be written as minus cot 15. So since there are squares, either way we're going to lose the negative. We can use this instead, tan square, because 180 minus 16. Okay, 180 minus 15, 180 minus 15. That is why I'm writing 15, 15. It's going to be in the second quadrant. Okay, it's going to be in the second quadrant. So both are negative. Right. So now tan square 15. So now tan square 15 plus cot square 15. Right. So we know the values of tan square 15 and we know the values of tan 15 and cot 15. Okay, I'm repeatedly saying cos for cot, excuse me. Okay, right, so it's going to be 2 minus root 3 square plus 2 plus root 3 square. Obviously minus 2ab and plus 2ab from both of us is going to cancel. Only 2 square and then 2 square plus and then root 3 square, that is 3 and then 3. So 4 plus 4, 3 plus 3, that is 8 plus 6. So 14 will be our answer. Option B is our answer. So 54, what is the value of? There is a sine function. There are two sine functions in multiplication. Right. So since it is 2 and pi and 2 and pi, okay, we can straightly write sine 5 pi by 6 into sine 5 pi by 6. But this is going to be negative, so I'm going to put a negative. So negative sine square 5 pi by 6. This is going to be minus sine square 5 pi by 6 can be written as pi minus pi by 6. This is going to be minus sine square pi by 6. It's going to be 1 by 4. Because pi by 6 is 1 by 2, we're going to get square, so 1 by 4. Sorry, negative 1 by 4. Option A is your answer. Now we're going to see the 55th question. 1 plus 2 into, there is a 1 a plus b and then a minus b formula. It's going to be 1 plus 2 into sine square x minus cos square is equal to 0. So how many values does x take? Find how many values can x take. Given that x is between 0 and 360, all the values of x between 0 and 360 satisfying this equation. Fine. So this is minus cos 2 theta. Fine. So 1 minus 2 cos 2 theta equal to 0. Cos 2 theta equal to minus 1. It's going to be minus 1 here when we take to the side. So there's a minus 2. Both will get cancelled. There's going to be just 1 by 2. It's fine. So when a cos is 1 by 2, obviously you're going to get 2 theta will only take the values of, so sorry, we're dealing with x here, so I'll write x. So obviously your 2x will only take the values of 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3. So x will only take the values of, bring the 2 that down, n pi plus or minus pi by 6. So the values inside 360 are when you apply 1, right, pi plus or minus. So when you we should start from not from. Actually, we can start from 0, right? From for the values of n. When you start from 0, you're going to have pi by 6, right? So when I put 1 pi minus pi by 6, that is going to be 5 pi by 6, and also 5 plus 5 by 6. Okay, 5 plus 5 by 6, that is going to be 7 pi by 6. Fine. And then we're going to put 2. So 2 pi minus pi by 6, that's going to be 11 pi by 6. But 2 pi plus pi by 6, that's going to stop because we're not allowed to have values beyond 360. Not even 360. So only 4 values. That is, we had pi by 6. We had 5 pi by 6. And then 7 pi by 6. And then 11 pi by 6. 4 values. So now we're going to see the 56th question. Consider the following statements in respect to the line passing through the origin. Line passing through the origin and inclining at an angle of 75 with the positive direction of x-axis. The line passes through the point this. So we need to find. So we need to check this if this statement is true. So inclination of 75 with the positive direction of x-axis. That means the slope of the line is going to be tan 75. So tan 75 is 2 plus root 3. I think not. Wait. Yes, 2 plus root 3. Right. And then now we're going to uh, since this passed through the origin, the equation is going to be y equal to mx. So y equal to 2 plus root 3 x. So when we apply the value of x and then the value of y, so 1 by 2 plus root 3, sorry 1 by 2 minus root 3, this is actually will be equal to 2 plus root 3. Okay, taking conjugate, fine, taking conjugate you will get this value. So this satisfies line equation. Okay, passing through the origin and having an angle 75 with the x-axis. This point satisfies the line. So this line passes through the line passes through the point. This is true. The line entirely lies in the first and third quadrants. Yes, because we're passing through the origin and making a 75. This is going to be in the first quadrant and the rear part is going to be in the third quadrant, obviously. So both are correct. We're going to go to the next question. If P is the midpoint of the line segment between the axis, what is the equation of the line? So there is a line and then 3 comma 4 is the midpoint. Fine. So this is a very simple problem because just we're going to double it. Fine. So double it. This is actually 3 comma 0 and then this is going to be 0 comma 4. So obviously this will be 6 comma 0. So because this is a midpoint, so this line is just a shadow of this line, okay, on the x-axis. So this is going to be the midpoint of this line segment. This is going to be 6 comma 0. So this is going to be 0 comma 8. Fine. So we're going to create. So we're going to form the equation of a line using the intercept form. So x by x intercept plus y by y intercept equal to 1, I think. Yeah. So 8x plus 6y equal to 48. And now I think we can divide by 2, right? So 4x plus 3y minus 24 equal to 0. So your option B is the answer. We're going to go to the next question. 58. So base AB of an equilateral triangle ABC with side 8 cm lies along the y-axis. Fine. And then the midpoint of AB is at the origin. The triangle is going to be like this. Okay, this is going to be the triangle. So B lies above the origin. So this is going to be B. This is going to be A. This is going to be C. What is the equation of line passing through 8, 0 parallel to the side AC? So 8, 0 will be somewhere around, everything is 8 centimeter. 8, 0 will be somewhere around here. And it should pass parallel through the AC. Okay, just by see, if these two lines are parallel, obviously the slope should be equal. Like, yes, so the slope should be equal. So what is the low slope of the line AC? AC makes, see, this angle is going to be 30 degrees because this line will bisect the 60 degree. The whole thing will be 60 degrees. Fine. This alone is going to be 30 degrees. So obviously this is going to be 30 degrees. So this line is making a 30-degree angle with the x-axis. So the slope of the line AC is tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. Fine. So we know so this line should also have the slope of 1 by root 3. We know the slope is equal to minus a by b. So we can clearly see that only this option satisfies that because minus a by b. So a value is 1 divided by b value is minus root 3. So minus a means it's going to be minus, you're going to get 1 by root 3. Only this line has a slope of 1 by root 3 among the options. Only this is going to be a option. Sorry, answer. So option A is our answer. We're going to go to the next question. A center of the circle passing through the origin making positive intercepts. 4 and 6 on the coordinate axis. That's going to be 4, 0, 1, 0, 6. Lies on the line. So that's a circle and we have the center of a circle. That center should lie on some, which of these lines holds the center of the circle. It's passing to the origin and then 4, 0, 1, 0, 6. So first we're going to write the formula of the circle, for equation of the circle. Y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So since this is going through the origin, this constant is going to be 0. Right, so c equals 0, which makes that x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy equal to 0. This is also going through 4, 0. So if it's going to 4, 0, x square will become 16. This is going to be 0. This is going to be 0 plus 2g 4, that is 8g equal to 0. So obviously the value of g is minus 2, right? So again we need to find the value of f. So y square plus 2gx plus 2fy equals 0. You're going to apply 0, 6. This is going to be 36. It's going to be 0. This is going to be 0. It's going to be 0. So we apply 6 here. This is going to be 12, right? 12y. Sorry, 12f is going to be 36 plus 12f is going to be 0. So you can see that f is equal to minus 3. Right. So the center of the circle, the formula for the center of the circle is minus c comma minus f. The center of the circle is 2 comma 3. Right. So which of these equations satisfy 2 comma 3? This does not, because 2, 4 minus 3 plus 1. Okay, no. 6, right? 6 minus 6 plus 1, no. 6 minus 12 plus 6, yes, this satisfies. So 2 comma 3 satisfies this equation. So option C is our answer. Now the final question of today's video. The center of the ellipse is at 0 comma 0. The major axis is on the y-axis. Fine. If the ellipse passes through 3 comma 2 and 1 comma 6, what is its eccentricity? So the equation of the ellipse is x square by a square y square by b square equal to 1, right? So we're going to apply 3 comma 2 and then 1 comma 6. We're going to get some equations and we're going to find the eccentricity. So if you apply 3 comma 2, it's going to be 9 by a square plus 4 by b square. This is going to be equal to, if you apply 1 and 6, so 1 by a square 36 by, sorry, 36 by b square. This is going to be equal. Bring the a square to the one side and bring the b, all the b squares to the next side. So when we bring that side, this is going to be 8 by a square. This is going to be equal to 32 by b square. So the ratio of a square to b square is going to be 8 by 32, that is 1 by 4. So ratio of a square by b square is 1 by 4. We are going to need this to find the eccentricity. So remember this, only that. So a square by b square is equal to 1 by 4. The formula of eccentricity is root of 1 minus the ratio of the square of minor axis to the square of major axis. Okay, so major axis is on the y axis, so B represents the y axis, so B is the major axis, obviously that should be the denominator, A should be the numerator. So we have the value 1 by 4, so E equal to root of 3 by 4, that is root 3 by 2. Option A is our answer. It is very nice to have met you all and taught you these 30 questions. I hope to see you soon on the next installment of the question paper series. Thank you.